Boy, this thing is looking pretty incredible, to be honest with you. It's looking pretty decent. All right, you have a up here. This is on a monthly chart. Okay, you can see a resistance right up here. Okay, and it broke through the one down here on a monthly. Okay, you'd have one up here. Let's take a look here. Zoom in on a weekly and see here. Got one right there. The big resistance areas. Okay, right there. Okay, so that one and this one here, it broke through. All right, so we're gonna move this one of these ones up here, right there, about there. Okay, and I think we can get rid of this one right here right now. Okay, so we want to zoom in on what is going on now. Let's make sure this one over here, put this one on a weekly, right where it needs to be. Okay, you got it right up here. All right, there we go. It looks pretty decent. Okay, so we're bad right now. It's running into an area, this little resistance area right there at what is that, about 509. Okay, it's testing that area right now. In fact, it's at 510 right now. Okay, so this thing's making a pretty decent run. You know, if this is a 5 wave up in here, this could turn out. This on a weekly chart. Take a trend-based Fibonacci. You know, say wave 1 started here, the top of wave 1 to the retracement. You know, it's giving this thing a target up over $6. You know, if wave 1 started way down here, that could change things. Obviously, it looks, to me, it looks like it started, quite honestly, like right here. It looks like about the start of a wave 1 top retracement. You know, still right up around that top. You know, if we go out in a monthly, right up, yeah, right up around 610. You know, because you do right at that zone, right in that area, you got resistance. So, you know, it could be running up towards $6.10. You know, not financial advice at all, guys. I'm showing you the tools that you use to get, you know, to get price targets and stuff like that. And that's a trend-based Fibonacci, and that would be going from a wave 1 starting right here. Right, usually you will run 5 waves up. All right, if you know anything about Elliott waves, you know, 1, 2, you got a 3rd wave starting up here, you know, then a 4th wave pullback, and then a final 5th wave. All right, we'll see what happens here. Could end up going a lot higher, could end up falling short. You know, we'll see what happens. What do the RSIs say? Okay, that'll tell a lot of the story here. All right, the weekly is still bullish at a 100 and a 98. Oh boy, getting a little oversold down here on the bottom. All right, this thing is up at an 83. Okay, on a monthly, still heading up at a 100 and an 89. A daily, beautiful. Daily's just starting up. It is at a 31 and a 27. Okay, so still got some gas in the tank, it looks like. The 12-hour still bullish, 67 and a 61. 8-hour bullish, 89 and a 75. And your 4-hour is still bullish at a 100 and a 76. All right, you got a major area coming up here. Okay, of resistance up here. Now, see if we get to it around the $5.40 area. $5.40 to, you know, let's see what these candles closed at over here, so we can get you pretty close to the area here. We got 542 and 541. You know, so call it, you know, 542, you know, right up there. It's going to have to get through that area. Let's reset this. Settings, 542. There we go. All right, that's a major resistance area up there. It's going to be coming to. It broke through this one at 510, right over here. Right at, well, 509, actually, 509. You can see it broke that area right now. It's at 510 right now. So, all right, I'd be expecting it. You know, we'll see what happens. But if it gets up to that 542, you know, if it breaks through that zone, all right, then it's pretty much, it's got a pretty good shot at getting towards that $6 range. But right now, this thing is looking great. Rndr's looking awesome. Got volume coming in here for the month so far, 300 million for the day. You got 18 million right here. Nice volume spike to back this move up, and looking pretty decent. So watch for that 542 up here. If we make it up there, I believe it will. It's made it up to 517 as a high, and on a weekly you can see not much, not a whole lot of resistance between that area. Okay, right here, this is where we're at, right up here at 508. You can see no resistance really through there on the weekly, so could get up to that 542 if it breaks that. Could be heading up to $6. You know, not today or tomorrow, but it could reach that 542 within the next day or so. You know, we'll just have to keep an eye on it. But right now, all the RSIs are still bullish, and you got volume coming in on the daily to back this move up. So keep an eye on Rndr. That's for sure. It looks like it's making some moves here. All right, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.